Hey everyone, it's Bob Crossen. I'm the editorial director of the Endeavor Business Media Water Group. I'm joined by Scott Bindner. He is the technical marketing manager for Trojan Technologies. We're here at ACE 25 in Denver, Colorado, and you got some stuff that you wanted to show off here. What can you tell us about these products here?
Yeah, thanks so much for having us here. We're really excited to talk about some of these new products that we have recently brought into the market here at ACE. So what we have here is a packaged demonstration system for UV advanced oxidation or UV AOP technology. And what we use UV AOP for is for the treatment of contaminants in water. And where we have been receiving a lot of interest in this technologies is in the advanced treatment of wastewater, so that it is treated to such a high level that it can be reused rather quickly for potable water purposes. We call this potable reuse, and it is very popular in areas of the world that have issues with water supply and drought. So this demonstration system provides a number of different services to help with UV AOP. Firstly, it provides the ability to do performance testing and pilot testing to deliver proof of concept to show that the technology works. There are a number of sample locations that allow us to collect samples to be able to determine what is in the water, establish what critical characteristics of the water are present that might influence UV AOP. But more importantly than that, it provides an effective simulation for operators to be able to get familiar with the technology before the customer proceeds to a more permanent full-scale installation. So you have here the UV chamber. This is where the magic is happening. This is where the oxidation reactions are taking place. But this UV chamber uses the exact same lamp technology that we would use in a full-scale UV chamber as well. It also has a number of features that also mimic the full-scale chamber, such as the lamp ports and the area of the chamber where the lamps can be removed. This allows operators to become familiar with standard UV maintenance practices, such as lamp removal, lamp replacement, sleeve removal, and sensor calibration, things of this nature, so that operators know what to expect when they finally get their full-scale facility.
Yeah, and you wanted to show us a couple of things that are on the other side of this unit too, because there's some other elements of this that we'll show. So we're going to cut to that here in just a second. So yeah, now we're on the other side of this unit. What are some of the key features of this device that you've got here?
Yeah, so we have a number of pieces of instrumentation here that monitor some of the critical characteristics that influence UV AOP treatment. For example, we have monitors that measure concentrations of free chlorine, total chlorine. These two pieces of equipment monitor the UV transmittance of the water, which influences how much UV light is able to penetrate the water and deliver the treatment that we want. And a lot of these characteristics can change very quickly in the water at any given time, and therefore signals from all of these pieces of instrumentation go into what we call our system control center. This is essentially the brain of the entire UV AOP system. And again, it is very similar to what we would provide for a full-scale UV AOP system as well. But what the SCC is essentially doing is taking this information and determining in real time how much UV light how much UV light is needed and how much oxidant precursor is needed for the UV AOP process. And that might be changing in real time. Other than that, we do have other pieces of equipment here. We have a peristaltic pump that will allow for the distribution of oxidant into the stream of water before the UV chamber. We have a number of sample collection locations here where we can collect water samples, determine what's in the water, and also confirm that we're delivering the treatment that we're expecting. And we also have a very large HMI, human-machine interface screen here that will provide the operators with the critical the critical outputs of the UV AOP system itself, such as how much treatment are you getting. And an operator can use this information to be able to relay to their superiors and the regulatory agencies so that they are now familiar with how UV AOP works, what are the critical inputs and outputs, and again, when they move to full-scale installation, they know what to expect there as well.
Well, Scott, thanks so much for showing us around to this product, getting so in depth with us as well. Where can people learn more information, or if they wanted to, could place an order?
Yeah, one of the things we are really trying to communicate with this product is that it is really good for not only just performance testing and operator training, but public awareness. We really want to encourage customers that are pursuing things like potable reuse to use this technology so they can get their end users very comfortable with the idea of using potable reuse and make them very familiar with the advanced treatment technologies that are going to be used to treat that water to such a high level. So if there is a community out there that is interested in pursuing potable reuse or UV AOP for any other application, what we could recommend is they can go to our website, www.trojantechnologies.com. They can fill out any of the forms on that website, providing information like flow rate and things of this nature, and we will be able to respond to them. We also have a very large network of representatives across the United States and Canada and other places in the world that they can reach out to either through our website or through their websites to learn more information as well.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, Scott. We appreciate your time. And for everyone who's watching, check out the video description below to get some more of that information. We'll have a link down there to Trojan Technologies website as well.